For the first part of our printmaking process, you will have your 2 colors of paint on a tray, your foam stamp that you created, and a brayer. This brayer is made of foam and it rolls. So what you're going to do is dip your foam brayer into the paint. And if you notice the paint, I spread out the colors pretty randomly. You don't want to mix the 2 colors together. You want to see batches of orange, batches of yellows. So be careful when you're using your brayer that you don't roll it too much, because you don't want to create one color. You want to see both the yellow and the orange. So just get some paint on your roller. You don't need to cover the whole entire roller, because what's going to happen is you'll have to do it multiple times. Put it to the side, and then you are going to roll the brayer over your foam stamp. And I'm kind of pushing down a little bit to get more paint onto the foam stamp. So I need some more. Again, doesn't have to cover the whole thing, just one side of it, because it will roll and spread. And you want to cover the entire stamp. And I'm going to go back in and dip my sponge in the orange and just do like spots of orange. Okay. And then what you're going to do is take your sheet of paper. This is what your final print will be on. You are going to place it directly on top of your foam, your stamp, and with 2 hands you're going to rub your paper on top of your stamp. Rub it down all over. If you get paint on your hands, it's fine. We can wash them. If you get paint on this side of the paper, it's fine. It will just be the back. And then very carefully hold the foam down with a finger, because you don't want it to come up with your print. You're going to peel your print off, and you will see the outline of your image in white. So whatever you carved in your stamp will remain white. This is all we're doing for the first part of the printing process, so you can bring this paper on back to the drying rack. And then what you're going to need to do is wipe down your foam stamp. So with a paper towel, just wipe off this extra paint. You don't have to wipe it clean. We're just wiping it semi-dry. And tomorrow we are going to reuse this. We're going to carve more details into our stamp and then print one more time.